In this video, we will study the price of related good and supply curve. That how the price of the related goods affect the supply curve. Change in the price of substitute good has a special effect on the supply of a commodity. We have told you what are the substitute goods that can be replaced for one another are the substitute goods. Let's take the example of tea and coffee. Again, if tea, for example, becomes expensive, see the price of tea goes up, what the producer of coffee will do? Producer of coffee will hold the stock and wait for the prices of coffee to rise, right? So what this will affect, that your quantity supplied of coffee will reduce at existing prices. See, tea and coffee are the substitutes we have. If the price of the tea increases, then the price of coffee is lesser than tea, and it is the law of supply says that if the prices are lower, your producer will be willing to supply lower, right? So the producer of coffee, why would he sell at the lower price of coffee? He will hold the stock with him. He will wait for the price of coffee to come up. So when the prices of coffee do not change at that particular point of time, producer is holding the stock with him, so it will reduce your quantity supplied of the coffee at the existing price of coffee. So at the existing price of coffee, they will sell less of coffee. A situation of decrease in supply or backward shift in the supply curve. Now let's see, if the price of your tea reduces, your coffee is costlier than tea, so your producer will sell more. And there will be a rightward shift in your supply curve. Let's see the supply curve now. This is your supply curve. This is the price. This is the quantity. And this is the quantity of coffee. Because your prices of coffee are taken constant, and there is change in the price of tea. See, your price of coffee is constant. At this price, you were selling Q of quantity and your supply curve was this, right? So now what happens? Your price of tea goes up. Your coffee quantity supplied will reduce. This is your decrease in your supply curve. And now, if your price of tea reduces, the quantity supplied of coffee increases. That is as to your new supply curve, and this is your new quantity. This is your increase, and this is your decrease. This increase is due to price decreases, and this decrease is due to your price increases, right? So this is how the price of related goods affect your supply curve. I hope you liked the video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.